All right, you guys, these are the supplies that we're going to need to make our beach bag. We have a darning needle. We have our 9mm hook and our yarn of your choice. This is what I chose. I'll have everything listed in the description box for you guys so you know what kind of yarn and everything that I used. So let's just move this out of the way and let's get into our bag making. All right, you guys, so this is the body of the bag. How pretty. I just folded it. It's kind of long, so it doesn't fit all the way in the frame. So I just folded it in half so you guys can see, and the stitch that I used, you guys, was an extended single crochet. So I'm going to show you how to do that stitch right now, and I'll put that up there. And so I have everything ready. I'm using a 9mm hook, and let me slide that a little bit more so you'll be able to see. And we are going to do our extended single crochet. And so if you've been on the channel long enough, you guys know that this is one of my favorites. I use this stitch for basically almost everything. I really like it, depending on the project that I'm working on, which is the bag, because it is a beach bag. So we are going to be throwing things in here, you know, like our towels, and I know I usually have a good book with me and other things. So I wanted that little tightness in our stitches. So let me go ahead and show it to you. So you want to put your hook in the second chain from the hook. Let's do that, and then yarn over, bring up a loop just like a single crochet, and then you want to yarn over and go through one of the loops, and then you want to yarn over and go through all two, which is those two right there. Okay, so I'm going to do it again. So you want to do it just like a single crochet. I'm going to single crochet, yarn over, bring up a loop, yarn over, go through one loop, yarn over, go through two loops. And that is your extended single crochet. And I love this stitch because you get the closeness of a single crochet, a tightness, and you get the height of a double crochet. That's why I really like this stitch. You get 2 in 1, right? And so with this stitch here, I made the body of the bag. And I just I changed colors because I wanted mine to be this way. And it came out so nice. I really enjoyed the 3 colors that I chosen. You can do yours however way you will want it. I would actually love to see what colors you guys chose. I am always like to connect with you guys in that way. So that's what I chose. Now let's get on to the straps. So this bag is only made up of the body of the bag and the straps because we need to get to the beach, you guys. And we need to make our bags as fast as we can so we can get out there and have some fun. So this is the body, and I'll put all the measurements in because it doesn't fit all the way in the frame. But I'll put all the measurements in the description box for you, how long and wide mine was. And let's get on to the straps. And I cannot say that word, you guys. I don't know why, but I cannot. If I go slow, straps. There we go. So on to the straps, you guys. Let me just clear this out and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, here is the straps to the bag. So right here, I actually did one already. I'll do that later. So for the straps, this one right here, which is the base, I actually chained. Now this is a single crochet. I did single crochet right here, and this one I chained 6, And then in the second chain from the hook, you get 5. Okay, so this is just back and forth, going all the way down, you know, into the length. And like I said before, I'll put everything in description box for you guys. And then this one right here, because I wanted the straps to have a little bit more stability to them, but also look really cute and fashionable. So I created another one. Now this one right here is chain 4, and you're going to put the your hook in the second chain from the hook, and it's going to give you 3. Okay, so you're going to be doing 3 back and forth all the way down. And let me show you how perfect this fit in here. This fits so nice. I have to cut that. So I'll turn it around because I have to cut that. So look how perfect do that fit. I have one, I stitched one up already, and I'll show you how I stitched it. And I decided to go with different colors. So I thought that would be really pretty for our bag. So this is the straps right here. So this fits in here like this. And then this is the straps. How cute is that, huh? So I already sewed one together, and it goes all the way down. And like I said, I will put the length in there for you guys of the straps. And they're this long for a reason, because we're starting at the middle of the bag. I'll show you. And then from the bottom of the bag, and then we're going all the way up. And so I love the way this looks, where this fit in here, and then you still have this color on the outskirts of this strap, which looks so nice. So let me show you how I joined them together. So I'm going to bring these right here. Let me get my darning needle. I did it with my darning needle, guys. And let's get some yarn. Got some yarn. I'm gonna need some scissors here. And let's get some scissors. I usually do the length of my arm, because if you start doing the length of this whole thing, it might get tangled up. So I'm going to go ahead and put it through here. Okay, so I got it in here. Okay, so let me slide that out the way, move the scissors out the way. So I just insert in the middle here, and I didn't want it to show in the back part here. As you can see, you can't see the stitches. So I took the stitches from the side of the bottom one. And so I just brought it in from the side, just a pinch of it, and then bring it through like that. And this part I tucked in underneath like that. And then I just proceeded to just take bites from the side and stitch through. And the thing that I love, there's no right, there's no wrong. It's just you just having fun stitching this together onto here. And you can be watching your show, your favorite show. And it comes out so nice. And it gives us the stability, you know, because you think about this is a bulky weight yarn. And so 2 bulkies together is really going to have, you know, you're really going to have stability on your yarn, on your bag, for whatever you stick inside there. That's what, you know, that you would have. And so I don't know if you guys know, I do have a sewing channel, and it is called Sewing with Creations PS91. I also have an Instagram and Facebook, and I post over there all the time, you guys. I do other things. I crochet, which is my first love. And then, but I also quilt and hand embroider and all that good stuff. I do all that stuff. And I got a snag. There we are. So I do all that stuff and I share all that stuff up there. So if you ever want to, you know, see what Antoinette is up to, Creations PS91, then you can go ahead and check those out, those socials out. And that's all I do. And what I do, you guys, I just do it on both sides. That's exactly what I did here. I did it on both sides of the strap. So let's put the straps onto our bag. I'm gonna clear all this out and I'll be back with the bag with the straps. All right, you guys, I'm all back. So I have the bag here and I have one of the straps, and I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna do this. So you wanna fold your bag. Once you're done, my space is kind of small here. For some of you guys, I think you guys kind of know my craft room has been renovated. And so I am doing tutorials in other places. So, so what I did was I folded my bag in half, and that's how I knew the bottom of my bag. So where it folded, so you want to just fold it in half all together, nice and neat. And then to see where your crease is, your line is, and that's where you're gonna start your straps. So I know that mine is the beige area, and you can see my crease right here. So you want to take your straps and you want to start from the bottom. I'm actually going to start at the top of my row right here of my beige. I'm not going to start here because this is where it creases. You don't want to start in the crease. You want to start probably like an inch up. Okay, and so that's right here. And then for the sides, you want to take it over about 2 inches on each side. 2 inches on each side. And you want to, the same way you attached the straps together is the same way you want to attach your straps to the bag. Okay, so you want to get your darning needle and you want to just take snips from the side and take it all the way down to your bag, to the top of your bag. And you want to do both sides that way. Okay, so you just take it on down to the top of your bag, and you want to do this on both sides of your bag. Okay, and then you want to do this side and then this side, and then you can turn your bag around. Turn your bag around, and then you will take your straps and then you will do your other side, and you do it the same exact way. Okay, and 2 inches on this side, 2 inches on this side, an inch from the fold, right? An inch from the fold, which is right here. Let me get that strap all nice and pretty. And then you go ahead and you take your bites, your little, all the way down on both sides. All right, you guys. So after you seamed up your straps to your bag, it should look like this. I can't get the bag in the frame, but I do have this right here. So I sewed, just used my darning needle and sewed, each bite on each side. And this is how it looks. So after you put your straps on, all there is to do now is to fold your bag right sides together. You want to have them right sides together, and then you want to seam it up on both sides, and then you're going to turn your bag inside out, and it is going to look like this. Let me, and there you have it. It's so nice, right? So after you seam up, and just seam up on both sides, turn it inside out, and this is what your bag is going to look like. You're going to have this side and then this side right here. This came out so nice, you guys. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing on my channel, consider subscribing, you guys. I hope you do give it a try, and I will see you on the next video.